Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Marina Khalid, your Islamiyat teacher. Grade 4. Today we will start our new unit number 4, Pillars of Islam. Our topic of discussion is Zakat. The learning objectives of this lesson are that you will be able to define Zakat and also tell the meaning of Zakat. Zakat. What is Zakat? Zakat is a third pillar of Islam that you all people know that, and Zakat is a compulsory charity which all well-to-do Muslim must give. They must give 2.5% from their annual savings as Zakat to their poor and needy Muslims, such as those who cannot live on their daily wages. Allah has ordered all Muslims to pay Zakat. Meaning of Zakat. Zakat means the act of purifying by giving Zakat as ordered by Allah. Dear students, Zakat not only purify their wealth but also their souls. Grade 4, there is a home assignment for you people that you have to write the definition of Zakat and also write the meaning of Zakat. And you should have to learn these two questions. If you have any query, you may ask me on this email ID which is present on the slide. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.